What's going on, car family? I'm Ben Wayne. Thank you for joining me in another video. Today, we have returned to Bentley Atlanta. We're going to be reviewing an extremely special vehicle, one of my personal favorites, the Bentley Mulsanne. But this isn't just any ordinary Bentley Mulsanne. This is the Mulliner edition Mulsanne 6.75 edition. This is the last hurrah for the Bentley Mulsanne as the flagship model. And this has always been one of my favorite vehicles. Once you see it, it has a presence that can't be denied. Now, there are only 30 of these final edition Mulsannes in existence, and only 6 have been transported to the US. This is the only Mulsanne in the US that features the black crystal with the beluga interior, and it is a beautiful vehicle. Let's talk a little bit about the Mulsanne's history. The Mulsanne originally came about in the 1980s as a Bentley sports sedan in the T-Series lineup. It was produced for roughly 12 years. Then it returned in 2010, and now we're in 2020, and this is the last year of this model. Where does the name Mulsanne originate from? The Mulsanne originates from the straight section of the 24-hour Le Mans racetrack, the Mulsanne Straight, and this pays homage to Bentley's racing history. Remember, in previous videos I said all of Bentley's cars are fast, and that's because they come from a racing history. So all of their cars in their lineup are extremely powerful. So why is this the last hurrah for the Mulsanne? Well, in modern times, as you know, SUVs are the thing now. So the Bentayga is accounting for over 50% of Bentley sales to date. Also, you have the strict European emissions. So the 6.75 or 6 3/4 V8 that we've come to know and love over the past 60 years, because we've seen that for the first time around 1959 in the Bentley S2, that is no longer fitting the strict emission standards. So this is the last year that you're gonna see this 6 3/4 liter V8. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about the exterior and interior details of this Bentley Mulsanne 6.75 edition and see how this ride has been engineered for excellence. Since this is my last video of the Bentley Mulsanne, we're gonna go ahead and make this a comprehensive review. So we're gonna cover a lot of detail in this video. This is a remarkable coach-built car, meaning that it's completely built by hand. That's why it takes so many hours for a car to be made. Look at this paintwork. It is primed, painted, sanded, and then lacquered for a mirror-like finish. It is truly remarkable. Let's go ahead and make our way to the front and see what unique details await of the 6.75 edition. Checking out the front of the 6.75 edition, you're gonna notice it has gloss black accents. For example, check out this flying V. It looks remarkable in this gloss black. Now the grille, it does not feature the traditional Bentley Matrix grille. What you're getting is a Serenity grille, and it's solid metal. Really feels nice to the touch. Gives you that sense of quality that Bentley motor cars are known for. Now coming over to the headlamps, of course these are LED matrix headlamps, and I love the detail incorporated in their design. They featured a knurled pattern going around the headlamps, and they also are connected to your GPS for 4 different light settings: urban, highway, rural, and even a setting for maximum illumination. I love the details Bentley incorporates in their cars, and especially the way all the design accents have been executed as well. Looking at the side profile of the Mulsanne, you can truly get a grasp of the proportions of this vehicle. This is an extremely large car. Like I said, once you see it in person, it truly has a presence to it. It looks very regal. How was that accomplished? Well, look at these lines going from the front of the hood to the roof, and then the roof line tapers nicely and ever so slightly into the trunk lid. How did Bentley incorporate these complex shapes and lines into the car's bodywork? Bentley Motors uses an aerospace engineering technique called superforming. Superforming involves heating up the metal body panels up to 500 degrees Celsius and then blowing them over a male or female portion using gas pressure. This allows you to create these complex body panels without having any seams or welds in the bodywork. Bentley Motors uses this throughout all their vehicles in the lineup, and the results are spectacular, as you can see for yourself. Now, since this is a Bentley Mulsanne Speed model, you're getting the 21-inch directional wheels with gloss black pockets and a bright machine face. It really just pops out from this black crystal paintwork. It looks stunning. Now this is also, again, the 6.75 edition. So you're getting 6.75 edition badging on the side panels. And check this out. Once you open the doors, you'll see you have 6.75 edition LED puddle lamps. I can only imagine how awesome that will look at nighttime. The rear of the Mulsanne features some of my favorite design characteristics of this vehicle. Check this out. Look at how the roofline flows seamlessly into the trunk lid. And then even more, look at how this rear glass panel sits flush with the car's bodywork. You also have a very complex trunk lid design. All those factors are benefits of the superforming technique that we talked about earlier in the video. And of course, Bentley finishes the rear of their vehicle with its trademark Bentley B that has been designed and incorporated into the rear tail lamps. Touching lightly on the driving dynamics of the Bentley Mulsanne, of course, it provides you a wide variety of different driving modes. You have a Bentley mode, which provides a fair mix between comfort and performance. You have a comfort mode, which provides you the most refined ride that you could possibly have. You also have a sport mode, which stiffens up the suspension for enhanced grip and performance, and then a custom mode, which allows you to tailor the different settings to how you see fit. Now it has come time to say goodbye to Bentley's crown jewel, the 6 3/4 liter V8. It has been in production for over 60 years, again first seen in the 1959 Bentley S2. Now, in the Mulsanne speed application, it's putting out 530 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque. That is up 5% and 8% respectively when compared to the traditional Mulsanne. 0 to 60 occurs in 4.8 seconds, and this large car has a top speed of 190 miles per hour. That is insane. Now, since this is the 6.75 edition, you get a special 6.75 edition twin turbo plaque, and you'll also notice the engine intake manifold has been finished in black instead of the traditional silver. Now, the engine in the 6.75 edition also features a plaque with a note that says, "One of the last 30 L Series V8 engines hand-built in Crewe, England." What a remarkable car with a special heart underneath that hood. Truly gonna miss this 6 3/4 V8. Now, we covered the exterior, but we did not hit on quite all the unique features of this special vehicle. So before we check out the interior, I'm gonna close the hood on the 6 3/4 V8 one last time. The interior of the Bentley Mulsanne 6.75 edition is the place to be. Just the smell of the hides is remarkable. I truly wish you guys were here to experience this with me. The interior has been finished in beluga with silver accents, and then your dash is covered in grand black wood veneer. This is referred to as grand black in the 6.75 edition, not piano black. And of course you have the contrast silver accents all throughout the car. Now, since this is the 6.75 edition, if you look closely, you'll see small special aspects that have been incorporated into the design. For example, your traditional organ stops have been replaced with organ stops that resemble an oil filler cap instead of the traditional plain design, and that just feels nice to the touch as well. Coming lower, you have your 3 traditional gauges that are found in every Bentley Mulsanne, but in the 6.75 edition, it has cutouts of the power plant in the background. Look at this, just engine schematics in the fuel gauge, clock, and temperature gauge as well. That is remarkable attention to detail. Coming lower, you have additional storage for your cell phone, lined in silver leather, and then you have controls for your air conditioner and media and infotainment system. Coming lower, you have your gear selector. Everything just feels nice and solid to the touch. That's one thing I've always loved about these coach-built cars. And then again, further silver accents with another commemorative plaque that says 6.75 edition, celebrating 60 years of the L Series V8 engine, one of 30 hand-built engines in Crewe by Bentley Mulliner. What an amazing car. Truly remarkable. Coming over to the door panels, it's covered in that grand black accent again, but this time it features the turned aluminum to go with it, providing excellent contrast in the interior of this vehicle. You also have a door handle which has a nice knurled finish, which gives you a good sense of feedback once you grab the door handle. Now, of course, it features the Mulliner spec diamond quilted leather with the silver secondary accents incorporated in the holes of the leather as well. Now you have controls for all 4 windows and of course plenty of storage on the bottom of the door. The seats of this car are truly remarkable. Again, that Mulliner spec diamond quilted design incorporated with perforations showing off that secondary color with the silver. Truly remarkable, feels excellent. And of course the seats also feature silver piping and then a 6.75 edition motif incorporated into the seats as well. What a beautiful interior. The steering wheel feels nice to the touch. It's nice and smooth in my hands. You truly can't get enough of touching the leather in these cars. I mean, it just feels so good. And of course, you know by now, all Bentley steering wheels are hand stitched. It takes roughly 8 hours just to stitch a single steering wheel. Now behind the steering wheel, there are 2 metal shift paddles. This is the speed model again, so you have a paddle to downshift and a paddle to upshift. And again, they have that nice knurled finish for you behind the paddles as well. Now, of course, the instrument display, it's bright and vibrant, easy to read. And then of course you have a touchscreen for your infotainment system as well. Not the latest and greatest, but you're starting to see what Bentley has to offer in their latest technology in some of their other cars like the Flying Spur and the Continental GT. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Now, of course, you would imagine the rear of the 6.75 edition is just as an amazing place to be as the front is. Bentley always incorporates luxury throughout their entire vehicles. They don't skip a beat. I mean, look at the diamond Mulliner quilting that's all throughout the rear of this vehicle, from the back of the front seats to the seats themselves. And again, you can see that secondary accent of silver through the perforations in the leather. The leather, again, smooth to the touch with the silver piping, again with the 6.75 edition motif found in the seats up front. It's also incorporated in the rear, and again, silver piping on the headrest as well. Every detail has been incorporated into the rear of this vehicle, such as, again, the organ stops now feature that oil filler cap design. You also have these bullseye air conditioning vents that Rolls-Royce and Bentley have used in their cars for several decades. Now, coming towards the center console, you have a nice silver panel. Pull back on that, and you have controls for your seats and your air conditioning system. So I love how you can just hide that and tuck it away for a nice clean look when you're not using it. The door panels, again, covered with the grand black accents with the turned aluminum. And of course, you have the knurled finishes and again, the diamond Mulliner spec quilting all throughout this car. Now, one thing I want to point out is that at this stage of the game, we don't tint our windows. We keep it classy. We use shades. One touch brings up the shades and just gives you a little bit of privacy. That is an awesome touch. I always love little tricks that Bentley incorporates in their cars like this. Fully electronic, and it fully tucks away. So when it's retracted, you can't even tell that it's there. I love that detail. Now, if you look at the roof, you do have mirrors here that are lined in leather, smooth black leather, soft to the touch, but the rear portion of the headliner is lined in perforated leather. Again, giving a nice contrast of materials here. Just a beautiful place to be overall. Now, one final detail before I leave are these ashtrays. They're found in every Bentley Mulsanne, and they have a lot of heft to them. They're really heavy. And as you can see, it's been polished. It looks so nice, you really don't even want to use it. That's how much quality goes into these vehicles. What an amazing place to be. That was a quick look at this 2020 Bentley Mulsanne 6.75 edition. One of 30 worldwide, only 6 are coming to the United States. This is the only one finished in black crystal with the beluga interior in the United States. What an amazing vehicle. Let me know what your favorite feature of this vehicle was in the comments section. I would like to give a special thanks to Bentley Atlanta for allowing me to come over and review this magnificent vehicle. Until then, I'm Ben Wayne, the automotive reviewer that YouTube deserves.